In the past few days, news and social media have been flooded with one shocking question. Did the United States really attack Venezuela? Some reports talk about airstrikes, others about military operations, and many people are confused. So in this video, we will calmly and clearly explain what reportedly happened, why tensions between the U.S. and Venezuela exist, and what likely led to this situation. This is an explanation, not propaganda. What happened? According to multiple international news outlets, there were explosions and military activity reported in parts of Venezuela, especially near the capital region. The U.S. government acknowledged conducting a military operation, but described it as a limited and targeted action, not a full war. Venezuela's government strongly condemned the action and called it a violation of its sovereignty. So the key point is, something did happen, but the scale, targets, and justification are still being debated internationally. Why are the U.S. and Venezuela enemies? To understand why this happened, we need to go back many years. The U.S. and Venezuela have had bad relations for over 2 decades. Main reasons include Venezuela's anti-U.S. governments, accusations of corruption and drug trafficking, heavy U.S. economic sanctions. The U.S. does not recognize Venezuela's current leadership as legitimate, while Venezuela accuses the U.S. of trying to control its oil and politics. This long-term hostility created the foundation for conflict. The official U.S. justification. The U.S. government claims its actions are based on national security, drug trafficking accusations, terrorism-related charges against Venezuelan officials. According to U.S. officials, the operation was meant to disrupt criminal networks, send a strong warning, protect U.S. interests in the region. From the U.S. perspective, this was law enforcement and security, not an invasion. Why many countries are angry. Many countries strongly disagree. Nations like Brazil, Cuba, Russia, China argue that no country has the right to attack another without UN approval. Military force violates international law. This could destabilize Latin America. Critics say, even if accusations are true, bombs are not justice. This disagreement is why the situation is now a global issue, not just a regional one. What happens next? Right now, tensions are high, diplomacy is uncertain, and misinformation is spreading fast. What happens next depends on international pressure, UN involvement, and whether both sides choose talks or escalation. One thing is clear: this event did not happen overnight. It is the result of years of political conflict, sanctions, and mistrust.